Hello guys, today we have pretzel. As you know, pretzel is German bread, very famous. It's crunchy outside, chewy inside, and the best of all, you have to do it or you eat it in the day. We make different shape and feel free that you can shape whatever you want. Here we have everything about pretzel. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I promise you, you will always follow my YouTube channel because you will find everything bread, chocolate, gateau, mousse, cake, tart, whatever you name it, vegan, gluten free, lactose free, everything. Let's start the recipe. We added 365 gram warm water, 10 gram yeast, 10 gram brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use normal sugar or molasses. We added 12 gram salt to the flour. We mix salt with the flour. Never mix salt with yeast because it's kill it. Then I will keep it 15 minutes, but you must use 35 or 33, less than 40 degree. You can see 33 degree, and this is the best to active the yeast. I will cover it. I will keep it for 15 minutes to prove, to see if it's active or not. After 15 minutes, you can see already foaming. You can see the bubbles, that mean your yeast is active. You can see the foaming. I will knead it with my hand, and feel free to feel the dough because it's very important. Any dough, you must know the texture, the feeling. You must live inside the dough. The best to do with bread, if you're mixing the bowl, use steak. Steak is so easy to combine everything, and when it becomes the dough, you can use your hand. Now the time, you can use your hand. You feel is need water, don't give anything, you just do it. And then when becomes a dough, you added the butter. Knead the dough, feel the dough, live inside the dough. Put your pressure, put your heart. Make it as exercise. Remember somebody you hit, and the dough will be perfect. It takes 5-6 minutes continuously. That's why I didn't stop the video, just to feel, to show you how can I do the dough. First, you can see it's sticky, but after a while of kneading the dough with your heart, it takes out and becomes elastic and perfect. While you mix, you can see the dough start whiter and whiter. That means you do a good job. You can see the dough need more, you give more. That's very important how to feel the dough. Now it's ready after 5-6 minutes of kneading the dough. You can see shiny, beautiful. Cover the dough, leave it 45 minutes. After you can see it's double the dough. I press out the gas. And now I scale. As a standard is 80 gram. So you can do whatever you want. You can make 60 gram, 50 gram, 100 gram, even 10 gram is up to you. The pretzel is shape and the way of cooking. The way I do just have roll, it helps us after 15 minutes to roll it very easy. I will cut different size, so I want to make big shape, small shape. As you see, I roll it and I cover all 15 minutes. So the whole dough take almost 1.5 hour or 120 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes. So I roll it, as you see, almost 50 centimeter. I try to make the end smaller than the dough. I make U shape. Then as you see, I breed the dough once, and this is the pretzel shape. So easy. This only one time I breed the dough. Another one to show you clearly. U shape. This 2 times I breed it 2 times. And the rest you can do it whatever you want. This I make it like petit pain. Or rolls. You can do any shape you want. Then we keep it to brew at least 50 minutes. After brew, I keep it in the freezer for 1 hour. And then 1 liter boiling water, I put 60 gram baking soda. I keep each side 10 seconds. I take out, I strain. Then I put in baking sheet 230 degree for 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, each side 15 minutes. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Here, I cut and I bake 230. I put sea salt or sea salt, flax salt or pretzel salt, whatever you want. Now is the time to baking 230 centigrade from 15 to 20 minutes, and you have this beautiful pretzel. Hope you enjoy my channel. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Follow the recipe. Bye bye.